Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Key performance indicators are really fundamental in terms of business metrics. Business metrics meaning how do you measure the success of what you're trying to do as an organization, as a business. It could also be used within a project or a program as well. But a KPI or key performance indicator really helps you quantify your goals. So a lot of times what you should do is understand what are the goals that you're trying to achieve, and then what are those KPIs that will tell you that you've achieved those goals. Now, a KPI can either be quantitative, so you can really measure it. It gives you a numeric measure because whatever that KPI is, you can actually say we gained X number of customers this month. That is a quantifiable measure. You can also say yes or no. Did we achieve this or did we not? Meaning the measure is like binary. So it's either yes or no, achieved, not achieved. So if you can lay out what those different KPIs are to support your strategies, your goals, your objectives, and then measure them and then track the measurement of them. Are you on track? Are you behind? Are you on, are you stalled in some way? You can get a great picture and create a dashboard to tell you how you're doing and what you need to improve to make sure you achieve your goals. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.